I used fruit and milk to create this stunning image. Let me explain. First, I poured water into the bottom and added powder because using milk would be expensive, requiring too much to fill the bathtub. Nobody wants to waste milk. Then I set up the projector and the 130 BNA light from iFootage, and guess what? I'm part of the creators launching it. One thing I appreciate about this projector, it is easy to set up, and with the different shapes it offers in different use cases on sets. After preparing, Cherry got into the bathtub and I carefully placed the fruit around her. Then I started shooting. The projector added a fantastic dimension to these photos. The only problem we encountered was the powder kept going down in the water, so I had to keep on shaking it every time. Then by mistake the bathtub opened, causing water to flood the area. We continued shooting because this month's motto is no grief for anybody. I captured different shots from different angles, used different lighting, I used different shape. I wanted to explore the projector, and thank you iFootage, the results were amazing. Here is the result.